Hey, welcome to my channel, I Heart Crafts. Today I am bringing you the cutest, the most glitterliest, that's a word, sparkly candles you ever did see. I'm so in love with these candles. This is probably my favorite project I have done on my channel yet. I'm so in love with them. And they are also so easy. So I'm going to take my Mod Podge and give it a nice layer inside of the glass. I'm making sure to get every nook and cranny inside this glass because I want the snow to be everywhere, and also I'm going to be putting lights inside of it, and I don't want you guys to be able to see the box that holds the batteries. Everything for this candle project came from the Dollar Tree. I cannot find this fake snow anymore. I'm so upset about it. I can't even order it off the website. I had only bought one, and after this project, I'm practically out. I'm pretty sad about it. So after I put the Mod Podge in, I just start sprinkling the snow inside and twisting the glass around and giving it a good shaky. And I just repeat this step until the snow is everywhere. When I was on the Googles searching for this snow, I came across one that looks very similar at Hobby Lobby. I haven't physically been there to check it out. I'm gonna look in person before I purchase it, but I will invest because I love it so much. It definitely has a glam type of feel to it with all the sparkle in it, which is what my DIYs are consisting of lately. Okay, so I will repeat these steps to the other glass. Next, I'm moving on to the branches. These came from the Dollar Tree. Everything in this project came from the Dollar Tree. I think I said that earlier. And I'm just going to pick out the best branches, kind of shape them into place, and then I'll hold it up to measure where I want it to be. And I'm going to be cutting some shorter or longer to give it some dimension. This really only took a dab of hot glue and it held great. I'll glue down some of the pieces that are sticking up, but I actually like that it comes off a little bit, so I'll leave some of that. I'm gonna go around the whole entire vase, giving the space between the branches maybe half an inch, and in some cases an inch. But I just want a lot of them on there, and no matter what angle you see the vase at, there's branches everywhere. At this point, I was just so in love with how this was turning out. I really love it. I think I'm going to do this same exact type of design to a smaller candle holder with the fake snow inside, but instead of the silver, I think I might go into a more gold theme or rose gold theme to match my bedroom, because in the future I'm going to be doing like a rose gold mini Christmas tree that I'm going to be putting in my room. But that's how much I love these candles. Oh, so cute! Okay, for the next little project I created, I used all Dollar Tree bulbs except for that one pack that is in the round container. That came from Michael's. I think I must have got it on a good deal, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. And I was originally going to use that styrofoam cone that came from the Dollar Tree, but it was not working out so good. And also the hot glue had this horrid smell from the burning styrofoam. I thought I was gonna pass out. So I was just like, nah. So Out of the biggest bulbs that I have, I ended up doing 2 circles because it just looked way too short when I only just did one. I wish I had a pack of bigger set of bulbs. That way it was going smaller and smaller as we were getting to the top, but I couldn't find any at the Dollar Tree, so I ended up just doing 2 of the bottom tiers the same size. I still think it looked pretty cute though. So this is pretty easy, and you guys have probably done this before anyways. I just glued them in a circle with the hooky part on the inside so you don't see it. I was originally using that circle as a template to kind of like keep it a circular position, but it was unnecessary. Pretty much a waste of my time. I just want to go ahead and say sorry about my nails, but I mean, I'm a mom, so I have real hand problems. Like, I had to stick them in a sink and fold laundry and change diapers, and you can't keep good nails like on your own while being a mom. It's really hard. Would you guys agree with that? I mean, I would love to invest in getting my nails done, but I don't know how long it would last. I'm getting pretty good with the glue gun. No burns on this project, and that's a rare thing for me. Okay, so now that I have them all glued together, I'm going to stack them up and glue them down. You probably don't even have to glue it down, but because I have an obnoxious cat that knocks everything over in my life, I'm just gonna make it a little more sturdy. I really wish that I had bigger bulbs to make it just a little bit taller, but it's okay. If I come across any in the future, I'll probably add it on the bottom, make it bigger. But for right now, just going with it. I mean, it turned out really, really cute. I just wish it was taller. Ta-da! How easy was that? Like 5 seconds. And look how stinking cute it turned out! The 2 deer came from the Dollar Tree. You guys have probably seen them there before. I'm so in love with this. It's definitely my favorite project so far, those candle holders. Like I said, I'm definitely going to remake them in the rose gold color. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so super easy. You should definitely give it a try. Okay, look at this. Can you guys see all that glitter on his face?